Hello and welcome to Exploration No Experience, and this is just a quick video to say that I'm moving all of the machinery restoration and stuff like that to my other channel. So if you're here for that, if you want to go over to that channel, I'll leave the link in the description. It's called AJP Garden Machines. So yeah, we'll move that all over to there, and this one will be just primarily for the exploration, which I've got a video out, should be out this week or next week, and it's a bomb store. Where is it now? It's Featherstone. It was like a bomb storage facility. So yeah, that'll be out this week or next week hopefully. So make sure to like, share and subscribe, and if you haven't already, go over to my other channel and like, share, subscribe there. Thank you. Hello and welcome to AJP Garden Machines, and this is just a trailer of what to expect on my channel. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.